Best LED shop lights provide bright, energy-efficient illumination, enhancing visibility, safety, and productivity in workshops, garages, and workspaces. Before purchasing the best LED shop lights, you should consider 3 key factors. Factors to consider: 1. Brightness. 2. Color temperature. 3. Wattage. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 best LED shop lights to help you understand everything you need to know in a simple and clear way, making it easier for you to make the right choice. If you want to know the latest prices and more details about the products mentioned in this video, check the links in the description box below. So, let's get started. Starting with our first product, Barina Ceiling and Under Cabinet Light. Barina Ceiling and Under Cabinet Light transforms dim spaces into well-lit environments with its highly efficient LED technology, ideal for garages, workshops, and under cabinets. Each light in the set emits 2,200 lumens while only using 20 watts, showcasing significant energy efficiency. The 6,500K cool white color temperature ensures a bright and clear light, suitable for precise tasks. Furthermore, the ability to connect up to 8 lights together minimizes the complexity of installation and maximizes coverage, making it a practical choice for extensive lighting needs. Designed for flexibility in installation, these versatile Barina fixtures offer a straightforward plug-and-play setup. Everything needed for mounting and connection is neatly packed in the box, facilitating a hassle-free installation whether you aim to brighten up a workbench or under-cabinet spaces. The ability to hang or mount the lights directly to the ceiling allows you to customize the installation to match your specific spatial and aesthetic requirements. These lights, designed for LED efficiency, deliver substantial brightness for indoor settings, yet they may not be the best fit for outdoor environments or situations requiring robust mounting solutions. The linking feature is advantageous for those who prefer flexible setups, though it may not suit everyone's needs for permanent installations. Now, our second product is Barina LED Shop Light. Barina LED Shop Light combines innovative design and energy-saving performance to illuminate garages, workshops, and under-cabinet spaces with precision and ease. Each unit in this 10-pack delivers a striking 5,000 lumens of brightness at just 40 watts, boasting an efficiency of 130 lumens per watt. The cool daylight white color temperature of 5,000K replicates natural light, creating a comfortable environment for detailed work. With the capacity to connect up to 6 lights, these fixtures simplify installation and enhance light distribution across extended areas. Perfectly engineered for ease of use, this lighting setup ensures that anyone can achieve professional-grade illumination without the usual complexity of electrical projects. With a plug-and-play configuration and all the necessary hardware included, installation is a breeze. Whether mounted directly to the ceiling or suspended with chains, these lights deliver exceptional versatility, fitting seamlessly into any environment. The 48-inch connecting cables add to their flexibility, allowing for a tailored arrangement that meets your unique lighting needs. With its focus on delivering energy-efficient illumination at a budget-friendly price, the shop light features might not meet all preferences. Its lightweight design makes it easy to install but might raise concerns about durability compared to heavier models. Even so, this LED shop light remains a strong contender for efficient, affordable lighting in diverse environments. Moving on to the third product, Bounder 10-pack Linkable LED Utility Shop Light. Bounder LED Utility Shop Light is an ideal lighting solution for workshops, garages, and utility rooms, offering energy-efficient performance and exceptional brightness. Each light in the pack outputs 4,400 lumens while consuming just 40 watts, ensuring substantial energy savings. The 6,500K daylight white light creates a vibrant atmosphere with no shadows. The D-shaped tube design enhances durability and focuses illumination precisely where it's needed most. Designed for both functionality and ease of use. The simple installation process is facilitated by the inclusion of all necessary mounting hardware and a 56-inch power cord with a plug, allowing for a quick setup without the need for complex wiring. The daisy chain linkability of up to 4 lights means fewer outlets are used while maintaining uniform lighting across extensive areas. With a focus on delivering bright, energy-efficient lighting in indoor environments, these shop lights shine in practicality but reveal some constraints in adaptability and durability. The absence of dimming functionality might make them less appealing for environments requiring varied lighting levels. Though the lightweight construction facilitates easy installation, it may raise questions about their robustness in heavy-duty scenarios. At number 4, Dansney LED Garage Ceiling Lights. Dansney LED garage ceiling lights set a new standard in garage lighting, combining an energy-efficient 80-watt power draw with an impressive 12,000 lumen output. Their 3 adjustable LED panels can be angled between 0 degrees and 120 degrees to ensure optimal light distribution tailored to any workspace. Emitting a 6000K cool white light that replicates daylight, these lights are perfect for enhancing visibility in garages, workshops, and other utility spaces where tasks require attention to detail. Engineered to eliminate the dead zones common with fixed lights, these advanced fixtures feature a bottom shine capability that transforms how spaces are lit. Alongside this innovative feature, they boast remarkable energy savings of up to 88% compared to traditional lighting options. The robust aluminum alloy construction enhances heat dissipation and ensures reliable durability, making these lights ideal for both residential and commercial applications. And finally, our last pick is Kbolt Motion Sensor Garage Lights. Kbolt Motion Sensor Garage Light stands out with its cutting-edge motion detection that ensures effortless illumination whenever movement is detected within 19.7 to 32.8 feet. Packed with 15,000 lumens of brightness per unit, this 2-pack is a perfect solution for spaces where powerful lighting is needed. The 6500K daylight color temperature delivers crisp, vibrant lighting that enhances visibility and ensures safety in garages, basements, or any dimly lit area. Combining innovation with a user-centric design, this light boasts an installation process that couldn't be easier. Just fit it into an E26 socket, and you're good to go. The adjustable panels provide tailored lighting options, allowing users to direct the light exactly where it's needed most. Ideal for anyone looking to enhance their workspace or garage, this solution offers a seamless blend of practicality and versatility. With a focus on providing intense brightness and motion-sensitive functionality, this product stands out as a practical choice. Its brightness, while impressive, could prove too harsh for compact or enclosed spaces, particularly where a softer ambience is preferred. The reliance on motion detection for activation is convenient. Furthermore, the lack of a dimmable option restricts its adaptability, which may be a drawback for users seeking versatile lighting solutions. So, what do you think about this video? If you found it helpful in making your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Write importance of within 20 words.